Hello everyone, this is Juhi Parashar, psychotherapist at the Cloud Door. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you some great tips for being a good decision maker. Alright, so the thing is that decision making doesn't come easy. It requires a little effort. But deciding as to what to wear on an interview or how to invest your money, if you know it and if you are able to make the right choices in the decisions, life will become really easy and you will be able to live the best life for yourself. Decision making will reduce your day-to-day hassles and give you a lot of confidence, a good decision making. Of course, it takes time and it takes effort to decide on a thing which is gonna be rewarding for you in the long run. And that is why these are the tips that you can incorporate in your life when you are faced with a situation wherein you have to make a decision, and so that it really gets easy for you and anybody can be a good decision maker. So it's not a big deal, but know what to do at the right time. So these are few of the tips that you can incorporate in your day-to-day life while making a decision. So the first thing is that never make a decision when you're angry, you're sad, or you're happy. Basically, never make a decision when you're emotionally charged up, okay? That is the time when you're high on your emotions and you tend to make silly decisions which maybe you're gonna regret later. So unless and until you are really at peace with yourself, do not be in a hurry to make a decision, especially when you're emotionally charged up. Avoid. Second thing, don't make a decision when you're hungry. Sounds familiar? Rings a bell, right? So what happens is that when you're hungry, again, it's an emotion. You're emotionally charged up. You're hungry, so you're frustrated, you're irritable. And the decisions that you're going to make at that time is not going to be very rewarding for you. It's not a long-term thing. You will make quick decisions and which are short-term gratifications. So whenever you're hungry, please fill your tummy. Don't make a decision at that time. Take some time out. Third thing, never make a decision in haste. At least take 24 hours before making a decision. At least give yourself some quiet place, some quiet time before making a decision. You need some time out, right? If there are distractions all around और हर तरफ से आपको कभी आपका फ़ोन बस कर रहा है, टीवी पीछे से चल रहा है, आपका डॉग बात कर रहा है, लोगों की बात करने की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, बहुत distraction है, your mind will not work at its best. So you need some quiet time out, you need some distance and less distraction around to focus, to concentrate on making the right decision. So at least wait 24 hours or more to make the right decision. All right, don't be impulsive. Fourth thing, never make decision which you feel is not quite right. When your heart says that this is something, I don't know, I'm not sure, when you're not too sure, relax. Don't take the decision. Take opinion of somebody wise, somebody you look up to, somebody who can help you, but never do anything which your heart says, let's not do it. It's not feeling right in the heart, so don't do it. Okay, now the fifth thing, never make a decision when you're under pressure. When somebody is pressurizing you, okay, आप confused हो, आपको दो कोर्स में से कौन सा कोर्स करना है और कोई कह रहा है आप ये करो, आप वो करो, आप ये क्यों नहीं कर रहे, आप जल्दी डिसीजन लो, आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा. देखो, टाइम बाउंड होना चाहिए. It should be realistic, it should be time bound, right? But never in a lot of pressure. So tell them, give me some time, don't be back of me, give me some time to think, to relax, to weigh the pros and cons. That's the most important thing for any decision to make. Write the pros, write the cons, and you will know as to what is the right thing for you, right? Last, the sixth thing is that don't make a decision based on one factor. Any decision will involve you to invest your energy, your time, and it's going to decide something about your life. So never base your decision on one single factor, right? There are many things to consider. There has to be a lot of considerations before you make the decision. So make sure that you consider every aspect of it. Again, weighing the pros and cons and thinking about what's in your favor and what's not. This is really important. So think about all the aspects and make a very sound decision based on that. So these are 6 of the tips that you can incorporate in your day-to-day life while making a decision, and I hope it helps you be a better decision maker, make better decisions, and lead a very, very good life. For any queries or any confusions, you can directly reach out to me at my inbox. All the best.